this one is just rice and pea protein. And I don't use protein powder very often, but every now and then I like to have some water and some cacao powder. So this is my breakfast smoothie. This is about a litre, or it might be a litre and a half, I'm not sure. And I've still got quite a bit left in here. Doesn't look like that much, but that will fill about half of this jar as well. Lunch today I'm having a lentil salad, and I've just got some baby spinach, lentils, tomatoes, cucumbers and some beetroot. And I'm just going to have this while I wait for my potatoes to cook. I've also just decided to add a little bit of homemade hummus to my salad. So here's my potato, and I've also got some more pieces just hanging out in my sandwich base. I'm having a burrito bowl with a bunch of rice underneath, some chipotle black beans and veggies, and then some baby spinach and tomato on top, with some steamed zucchini and broccoli. And this is like a really common meal that I've been having lately. It is just so easy to put together and so delicious and healthy. I'm pretty sure that I've shown you guys how to make it before, but if you want me to make like a specific recipe video, just let me know in the comments below and I will.